Hello! Welcome to Amy Taylor's beauty journey. Today I'm going to be doing like a very fresh-faced baby girl look, and it's going to be pretty quick and easy. I just got a new ring light, so I'm pretty excited about that. We're going to start off with our skin makeup. Here's my basket of skin makeup. Oops. As you can see, I'm very organized. So let's jump right into it. with it. It feels super cute. I threw on some fake lashes so that I look extra glamorous. I started wearing fake lashes recently. And I did the double pigtail. So I hope that you have a beautiful week. I hope that it's starting to turn into spring for you, and that flowers are growing outside, and that the birds are chirping, and that the sun is shining, or maybe it's raining, and then the sun will shine afterwards. I love you all. Bye bye.